Psychological study said. So you come down too quickly to that. No, that's when you know. Because when you have no money, you look for it.
Economics to answer serious and real point that my household balance sheet is.
Let me repeat that. He did this for relatives. And Robert Lupton said the first time you give money to someone, they will say, the fourth time is a right and a time to think and solve problems. That's how people generate value. They hate the rich.
I think the requirement there is, as you live longer into your 80s and 90s, if you're blessed to live that long, is to make provision for those savings, for the requirement to draw those savings over a prolonged period. And I think that's where, instead of saying, well, typically if you finish, if you retire at age 65, you need to plan for, 7 or maybe 10 years worth of retirement funding. We now need to plan for maybe 20 or 30 years. So there's two ways you can do that. The first one is you can start contributing earlier because you need to build up a much bigger retirement pot, or you need to contribute more when you are in fact saving for your retirement.
A lot of financial literacy. So letting people know the difference and the impact of compounding. If you start saving now, even if you're a Gen Z, it's much better than when you start saving for your retirement at 40, 50. And also shifting from our old mindset of our children, our retirement plan, to can we not, burden the younger generation with the duty of taking care of us and actually plan for it. So there's a lot of financial inclusion, enabling them through tools, but also equipping people with the knowledge that retirement planning is part of financial planning.